Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye. Guys, welcome to the
Sister
Girls.
Girls.
So today we are going to be making empanadas. Today we have a special guest, Jordan. Go check out her channel in the description below. So the first thing we're going to do is cut up all the vegetables.
And an onion.
I'm cutting the garlic, and Sanaa's cutting the peppers, and Jordan's cutting the onions. First, I have to peel it. Have you ever tried empanadas, Jordan?
Yeah, in 5th grade. How does empanadas taste?
Tastes good. Today we're going to be making chicken empanadas.
Yes, they're gonna be good. So guys, this is fun. Right, Jordan?
Yeah, I finished my onions. They made me cry a little bit.
Let's see, how is the garlic going? That's good.
Right now I'm cutting off the pepper. I'm hoping I'll cut off the pepper, so I'll cut off the top. So it'll be easier. Got the seeds. So now that we finished all the peppers, onions, and garlic,
So Jordan, what do we have here?
We have soul food seasoning, chicken seasoning, onion powder, Italian seasoning, cilantro, sofrito, and adobo.
so we our mother cleaned the chicken, and we're going to start seasoning the chicken.
Oh, and sazon. Yeah. So now we're gonna season the chicken, and we're gonna add the vegetables in. Yummy. I'm gonna add the adobo.
And I'm gonna add.
Make sure you don't over season it because it will be nasty.
I'm gonna add this.
The cilantro.
Yes.
I'm going to add the sofrito. You don't want to overboard it, guys.
Want to add the onion powder.
A little more. Oh, let's get heavy here.
Here you go. So now you want to add this.
Okay, let's wait.
Yes, please.
Now we're gonna add the soul food powder.
I'm going to add the cilantro. This is all the vegetables.
Soul food powder.
And I'm going to do the
Sazon.
sazon.
Sazon. And I'm gonna add. So now you want to add the Italian seasoning. Want me to do it?
Yes. Wow, that's
you
how
go.
you do it?
Yeah.
Or you want to put the top one?
Oh yeah.
And I'm going to add some of this.
This one, guys.
And we're gonna mix it with a spoon that is not visible.
Oh, it's not open, honey. One more seasoning left. It's Italian seasoning.
And then we're gonna
Everywhere.
mix it. Yeah, I think
I
that's
think
good.
that's enough, guys.
And now I'm going to mix it.
Oh, here you go. We're gonna take time mixing it. Then we're gonna let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna cook it.
And we
And
will
then
be
we're-
back when we start the empanadas. It's been marinated. Now we are going to start to cook it. So now it's going to pour it in the pan. You need help. I'll hold it for you and you like scoop it. It sounds really good, so.
I hear it sizzling.
So now we're gonna let it cook down, and then we're gonna put it in empanadas, and we're all done.
Yeah.
Guys, this smells really good. And it's almost done, so we can start making the empanadas when it's all done.
It's gonna be tasting real good, guys.
It is. And we're gonna put like a cool little pattern. Y'all guys will see.
Guys, it tastes real. I think it's gonna taste real good.
Me too, because it smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen.
So, guys, we see you at the dining table.
So chicken is almost done. And when it's done, we're gonna put it in the empanadas. Then we're all done. So at the moment, I'm shredding the meat so they go into the empanadas. It smells really good, guys. It looks juicy. I can't wait to try it. Me too. Chicken is all done. Now we're going to start putting it on the empanadas. First, we need to lift it up and start putting flour.
So it won't stick to the rolling pin.
Guys, if you don't have a roller, just use it with your hands.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
That's what Destiny's gonna do while me and Sanaa do it though.
I need some flour too, guys.
Here you go.
A little bit, guys.
And when we're finished, we're gonna start putting the chicken in it, and we're gonna use our forks to do a design.
Then we're gonna fry it, baby.
How you guys think it's gonna taste?
Juicy.
Good.
So we stretched our empanadas. Now I'm gonna start putting the chicken in my empanada, and I'm gonna put a fork design on it.
Guys, I
And
can't
while
wait.
And while she's doing that, I'm going to start on my other empanada.
Ooh, this thing is hot.
Yeah, guys, be careful.
Parent supervision.
I'm gonna start with my next one.
You need some? Only a little bit.
Now I'm gonna flip it over.
And now I'm going to start on my chicken.
I'm gonna smash it with a fork. The edges only.
And do it on the other side too.
I'm gonna wait till Desi's finished.
You need some?
Yes,
I just put a little bit more in this empanada. A little bit.
I can't
Remember, this
wait.
is how we cook it. Some people don't cook it like this, but this is how we do it.
This is our way.
The remake version.
And I'm gonna put
I
a
can
little,
hold this.
and I'm gonna put some on here, so it could be easier for me.
Basically, we're doing it just like pie crust.
You put flour so it won't stick.
I will hold it.
Here you
for
go.
Jess. Thank you.
This is how it looks.
You don't want to add too much, honey. Did you need help? So, we are going to smash it with our forks.
Don't spill it now.
I won't.
So now it's doing a really good job. Well, we are doing a good job.
Everyone.
I have one more to go then. And make sure you don't break it, or it's gonna be
Graham
good.
Puff is doing good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Almost done, Nani?
Here you go, Jordan.
Make sure you do it on the other side too.
I'm gonna use
Because
this
when we
after
fry
I
it, it
flip
might break
over.
apart if you don't.
Yeah. This chicken smells really good, guys.
It does.
I can't wait to eat it.
This means flat it a little bit nice.
So guys, do you want to see more videos with Jordan?
You do? Go check out their video and our video.
Go check out their link in the description below so you can see their channel.
Their videos are really good.
And funny.
So right now, smashing the empanadas together so it can be sealed. So when they fry it, it won't come out.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do the other side.
I can't wait to eat it. So guys, is this recipe going good for you?
Let
It
us know.
is.
Let us know by liking this video.
Make sure you do the front and the back. Because you really want to.
Black.
Yummy.
We have bigger ones, and we're just gonna do the same thing. Just a little
But with
bit.
more meat.
My meat is good.
I need a little bit more meat when you're done, so.
A little bit more.
Can I use the meat now?
And the other empanadas we put in the tray so it won't be in the way for the big ones.
Because big ones are like take over
I'm gonna
half
flip
of the
it
thing.
over, guys. I forgot to flip them over.
This is probably gonna be the last ones because the meat is running out.
Yeah. We're probably going to make more.
I'm gonna do the edges now.
This is really fun, like smushing it together with the flour.
Yeah, and it is.
And then after this, we're going to fry it.
And then we're gonna say how we like it or not.
And we're going to go eat it. And
Yeah.
tear it up.
Tear it up, baby.
Period.
Poo. It's all done. Now we're gonna take a bite. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's really good. It's good. Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.